Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another tie-dye for you. This is the one with the mixed gray on the back. It actually turned out pretty awesome looking. Very, very unique.
Take it inside.
To the inside. Let's see what we got. It's all unbanded. Ooh, nice. Look at that. Beautiful little toddler tee. Oh yeah. That's nice. I like that a lot. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful little tie-dye tee. This is a, what size is this? 2T. Little baby tee. Look at that. Very beautiful indeed. Came out with a nice pattern. Definitely looks unique. You know, we've never done one with the mist gray and the lighter colors like that, but it looks pretty cool. Definitely gives it a unique overall hue. Good definition on our spiral on both front and back. Yeah, especially in the sunlight. Look at that. That just looks amazing. You can really see the gray real well. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.